Are you looking for the perfect getaway? Then join me as I explore the hidden gem that is Don Carter State Park, located in Gainesville, Georgia. Hi there, my name is Brandon Bassett, and today I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of Don Carter State Park. This park offers something for everyone with its beautiful lake, trails for hiking and biking, fishing spots, and plenty of activities to keep you occupied all day long. From the wildlife to the stunning views from every angle, the state park has it all, so don't miss out. Join me now as we explore why Don Carter State Park is one of Georgia's best kept secrets. Don Carter State Park day use areas are open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. The parking fee is $5 per vehicle per day. If you're a local, there are annual passes available. Once you enter the park, you will come to a guard shack with a collection box for the $5 parking fee. Once you pay the parking fee, you will proceed into the park. To the right, you will find the overnight areas, which include RV campsites and cottages. In front of you, you'll see the visitor center, and to the left will be the route to the day use areas. When you turn left and proceed into the day use area, you will see a parking lot on the left for Trailhead parking. As you keep driving, you will eventually come up to the day use beach area on the right. Did you know that the park is named in honor of real estate executive Don Carter, who served on the Georgia Department of Natural Resources Board for 29 years and worked to establish Lake Lanier's first state park? Also, Don Carter State Park is on 1,316 acres on the north end of Lake Lanier, with access to the Chattahoochee River. Don Carter State Park has 8 cottages, 44 tent, trailer, and RV campsites, 4 picnic shelters, boat ramps, docks, fishing cleaning station, sand beach, playgrounds, outdoor fitness equipment, and even a gift shop. As you enter the day use beach area, you will notice that there is plenty of parking. As you enter the day use area, you will notice that to the left there is a picnic shelter. And just past that picnic shelter, you will also notice that there's a playground. And around the playground there are benches for parents to sit at. And across from that playground you will find another shelter picnic area for gatherings. As you continue straight, you also notice there's more parking. This park is very clean. The road splits, and if you stay to the right, you continue to the beach area. As you proceed, you'll see there's even more parking. Eventually you'll come to some speed bumps to keep everybody from driving too fast. You will see picnic tables to your right. As you come up to the beach area, you will notice another picnic shelter. And next to the picnic shelter, there will also be bathrooms and a bathing area to wash off after you're done swimming. As you go around, you will also notice that there's more parking. Another speed bump. You will come up to a stop sign. You can make a left and go back to the beach area, or you continue straight and you could go back to the main road. You will pass another picnic shelter to your left. You will see more parking, a bathroom area to your left, as you continue to the main road, you also notice that there's trails to the right and to the left. Now once you get out to the main road, you'll then make a right. Now when you make this right, this road will take you to the boat ramp next. To the left you'll see Trailhead parking. We will talk about this later on after the boat ramp. As you can see, it's a very beautiful day today. The road splits. As you drive to the boat ramp, it's a slight incline. You will have a little roundabout to go around. Once you pass the walking path, you will notice that you are in the boat ramp. As you can see, there's plenty of parking. To the right, you will find a hiking trail. There's also some picnic areas. The boat ramp is capable of 2 vehicles with trailers for boats or kayaks. There is also a bike path that leads to the fishing pier. As you exit the boat ramp, there's also a bike path to your right, or a trail path. As you can see, this is a very clean park. It is very well taken care of. As you continue down the road towards the exit of the park, you will come across a fishing cleaning station that is to the right of the road. You will also see trails, bike paths. You will make a right into the Trailhead parking area. Here, you will park if you want to walk the trail or bike the trail, or if you want to just walk around and enjoy nature and take pictures, enjoy the day. There's a gravel area with parking spots. There's handicap spots in the front. There's also a bathroom located on the trail. As you can tell, it's very clean. Not very busy at all. That concludes our tour of the virtual overview of Don Carter State Park. Next, we will do a virtual tour of the hiking and biking trail. You can access the bike trail or hiking trail throughout the park. The best bet is the Trailhead parking area. The trail is right next to it and it's easy to access. You will come across a cross section. If you go right, it'll take you to the fishing pier. If you go left, it'll just take you throughout the trail, throughout the park. We will be going right to the fishing pier. Now this path is very clean. There's no roots, no potholes. Make a left and you go up, you will notice that there's a slight incline. You will find that there are sections where you can walk off and go camping. As you go up the incline, you also notice that the surrounding areas around the bike path also have quite a bit of a slope. You'll find some benches. Eventually there is a slight decline in the trail. If you have kids, I highly recommend you keep an eye on them because of the decline. Now throughout this trail, it is very clean, well taken care of. As you can see, this decline is very steep. The sides of the path are very slopey. There are paths down to the lake. There's some overhanging brushes here and there. Now as you go down this path, it'll take you back to the boat ramp. As you can tell, I am picking up speed. There is a slight decline. You'll have the boat ramp in front of you. You'll veer to the left, just past this little shack. And you will come upon a fishing pier. Very stable, very clean, well taken care of. As you can see, it is such a beautiful day today. If your kids love fishing, this is a great place to take them. Here are a few pictures I took. As you leave the fishing pier, you will go around and down and through the boat ramp. You'll go back into the bike path. Now this bike path has a steep incline. Now, as you go through this path, it'll take you back to that cross section that's in front of the Trailhead parking. Now when you get to the cross section, you make a left. You will continue straight. To your right, you will see a bathroom. To the left is the Trailhead parking area. This paved path is very organized, clean, no potholes, no crazy bumps, very flat surface. There's slight inclines, slight declines. As you can tell, it'd be a great place to take pictures, walk with family, spend time outdoor with your kids. There are some areas with benches. Now the right side of this trail is mostly all downhill with a slight decline. As you can see to the left, there are slopes and ditches. You will come up to a turning point. Once you hit this turning point, a lot of your trail from here has a slight incline. Some of the trail is dark, but it's very clean. There's no slippery areas. There's not many obstructions on the trail. There's no overgrown foliage. This is where your slight incline happens. If you're a runner or a jogger, this is a great place to come. It's quiet. There is a lot of squirrels and wildlife on this trail. This park is very nice. It is truly a hidden gem. As you walk or ride throughout this trail, there are hiking trails throughout this trail that lead into the woods. Throughout this trail in the woods, there is camping sites, there's benches. Right now we're heading back to the Trailhead parking area. As you can tell, it's not that very big of a trail, but it is a very nice, clean trail. Here is the cross section. If I continue straight, it takes you to the boat ramp. This is where we started. Now as I cross this road, it'll take you into the day-use beach area. As you can see, the trail goes along the side of the road where the parking is. There's a slight incline. It takes you up and around and next to the picnic shelter. This is a great walking path. As you continue, There's more parking to your left for cars. Picnic tables to your right. More picnic tables to your right. In front of us is the swimming beach area. Wait until you see this view. There's benches to your left. There's the sand to your right. Picnic shelters to your left. Stairs to your right to go to the beach. More benches. As you make the right and go down the hill, you will see a shack. This shack is where they do the kayak rentals. You will see a boat ramp to the left, your swimming area to the right. It is a little sandy. What a beautiful view, breathtaking. As you go up to the left, there is a bathroom. There is a bathing building for when you're done swimming. There's your bathing area. There is your picnic shelter to your left. Now as we continue on this bike path back towards the main road, you can see there's more parking to your left. The bike path continues to the left, across the road, up the hill, veers to the right. To the left is another picnic shelter. There's a playground to your left for kids. There's also stairs to your left that go to the real playground down below. There's a bathroom, men's and women's. You will continue down the bike path towards the main road. The bike path will veer right. This path right here will cross the road and will take you to the boat ramp. As you can tell, it goes along the main road. There's your roundabout before you hit the boat ramp. You can continue straight here and it'll take you to the path. I ended up going right to show the boat ramp. There is a hiking path to the right in the woods. There's your boat ramp. Here's a map of the park. And here's some Insta360 X3 pictures that I took while I was out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy your day.